Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Angels. Today we are going to do DIY craft with a plastic bottle. So let's get started. All we need is a plastic bottle, a cutter, pair of scissors and some pearls, the sticker ball pearls. So let's go. So first we have to cut the bottle up to 2 dots here. Just like this. So just like that, let's cut it out. So here the dots are there, so I'm going to use them as my decorative things. First of all, I have to smoothen this part with a hot iron box. Be careful with the iron box, it may be hot. So just do like this. So here. I'm using this color. If you don't like this cutout, you can also cut like this. So let's start painting. Use a very fat brush so you can do it fast. So here. Now let's paint the bottom part. So now we have to wait till it dries. It took 30 minutes to dry up. So now let's put the second coat or the second layer. So here. Now the second coat is done. Now we have to wait till it dries. So now it's dried. Now let's put the pearls onto. Now let's decorate the pearls onto this. Stick one pearl on the dots. only 4 more are left. Here. So now we here. So here are some other things which I colored and added pearls, like red and blue or brown. So the first one I have to put some pebbles. I have some aquatic plants. I want to decorate them with these. So I'm just going to put some so these are my DIY small vases which you can put in your cupboards or shelves. They look so cute. So here are my vases on my shoulder. And it is so cute and beautiful. Other vases which I kept. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.